If I had to start over online today, I would not start with inventory. I would not start with figuring out things like shipping. And I would definitely not start with a product that I have to remake every time someone buys it. I would probably sell something that I can create once, deliver it automatically, and sell it again and again, which means that I can actually make money while I sleep. And in this video, that's what I want to talk about, because I want to show you exactly how to create and set up this product. So I'm going to show you as well the type of product, who I would sell it to, how I would package it, how buyers would receive it, where I would list it for sale, and how I would turn one product into a whole bundle. Rockstars, let's build this passive income stream together, step by step. Welcome back to the Rockstar Academy. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for your loyalty, and thank you for those who keep coming back. For that, I'm grateful. And if you're not yet a rock star and you want to become one, you can go ahead and subscribe, but it's not required. I'm just glad you're here. We have a lot to cover, so I'm gonna jump right into it. Now, let me talk about first the product that I would sell. And the product is editable templates, but this is editable templates with a difference. So make sure you stay tuned for that. What this means is that the customer will buy access to a particular design that they can actually open, they can customize it, and then use it themselves. So instead of selling a flat image, which is what most people do online, you're selling something that's editable. And here's the best part, that can include videos, which is what I'd say is very unique, and because of that uniqueness, you're likely gonna get more sales. Now, if you're wondering why would people buy editable templates, Odetta, it is because they need marketing material, and they need this marketing material constantly. And many of them, they don't want to hire a designer full-time or pay freelancers to create content. They're looking for something that's ready-made that they can easily customize and use to market their products. Now, let's talk about the tool that I would use to do this, because there are quite a few of them out there on the market, but they cannot deliver what I'm about to share. For this tutorial, I'm using Kittl. And one of the reasons why I really like using Kittl is because it's very beginner friendly. And what you can do is, if you want to follow along with the steps that I'm about to take, I'm gonna grab my computer so we can do this together. I have placed a link at the top of the description. It's gonna be above all the writing or on top of the fold. And you can decide if you want to upgrade to Kittl Pro or the expert plans. And to get a 25% discount for either of those plans, you can use the link that's in the description. Enter code Odetta YT that I'm popping up here on screen, and you're gonna get 25% off the first month or the first year of a Kittl Pro or a Kittl Expert plan. Now, Kittl is a good option because it has strong design tools like typography, posters, labels, logos, product mockups, business graphics, social media designs, and so much more. And I'm not gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you. And the feature that I'm most excited about is the fact that you can integrate videos seamlessly into your design using Kittl. And also the fact that you can use Kittl's designs commercially and sell them anywhere without having to worry about licensing rules, as long as you have the Pro plan or the Expert plan. So before creating or choosing your template, research what people are already buying. Don't just guess. That's what you do when you're taking chances with your probability of success. I want you to go to marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, Gumroad, Payhip, and Pinterest. And you can search for template products in your niche that you're thinking about. As an example, you can search for beauty business and then look at things like a nail tech price list, lash technician, flyer templates, salon, Instagram templates. And for the food business, you can search, as I'm showing you here, for things like restaurant menu templates, food flyer templates, lunch special template, or lunch special flyer. For real estate agents, if that's the customer base you're targeting, you can search those platforms for real estate flyer templates, open house flyer template, rental listing templates. And what you're looking for when you're searching are patterns. Things like what templates appear again and again, which products have reviews and are the reviews good, what words are sellers using in their titles and are they selling one template or bundles. Also, how are they showing their product images. Now, we're not looking to copy anybody's methods. You are studying demand by doing this research. The goal is to find out what buyers already want, and then you can create your own editable templates using Kittl around that specific need. Now, let me grab my computer so we can get this process started and we can create together. Now let's do this step by step. And again, we're gonna click on the link in the description for Kittl. And let's say that we're targeting editable templates for restaurants. Let us search Kittl templates, as I'm showing you here, for restaurant menu. And we get many options to choose from, as you can see here on the screen, Rockstars. So we're gonna choose this particular template and we're gonna go ahead and select it as I'm doing here. And as you can see, we can change the colors of the template. As I'm showing you how to do here on screen, it's pretty simple, very user-friendly. You can change the images as well. Let us search Kittl photos for sandwiches as an example, and let's find a sandwich photo or image that we can use to replace this one here on screen. Just click on it and let's go ahead and replace it. We can also use Kittl AI and we can describe an image as I'm doing here on screen with this particular prompt that I'm entering, and then we're gonna click on generate. And when you get the image like this one here, you can use the generated image. You may need to remove the background by clicking background remover right here as I'm doing, and then just position it on the template as you see fit. Now you can also search for a lunch special flyer. And again, Kittl gives us a variety of options to choose from, as you can see here. And what you want to do is customize your template to make it uniquely yours. Now, let's say your goal is to create editable templates for realtors because they're always looking for marketing material. We're gonna go ahead and search Kittl templates for property listing flyer as an example. And I think the options that we're seeing here, even without us customizing them, they're pretty impressive. And they can cater to any market and any price point in real estate, whether it's low income or luxury properties. So they're very versatile. But let us select this template as an example for editing or customizing. And let us go ahead and enter this prompt in the Kittl AI command box here. And what I'm gonna say is change the property on this flyer to a modern luxury beachfront property and change the template colors and themes to be more high end. Or you can enter any prompt of your choosing and hit generate. And Rockstars, here's the result. I think this is pretty good. And again, you can regenerate if you want to get more options to choose from. Now, let me show you the feature I'm most excited about. Let's search templates for open house flyer. And again, we're gonna get many options on Kittl to choose from as I'm showing you here. So let's go ahead and select one to customize. And this time around, we're gonna select AI video board. Now, let's go ahead and choose the template size as I'm doing here. And we're gonna choose a 9:16 aspect ratio because it will be perfect for our mobile phones, which is where most of this content is viewed by potential customers anyway. And we're gonna leverage C-Dance 2.0, which is the video generation tool that is built into Kittl. Let's also choose the video length and select audio because we want sound for our content. Now, next, we're gonna enter a video generation prompt like this one that I'm showing you here on screen, and you're then gonna hit generate. Feel free, Rockstars, to modify the prompt based on the results that you want. Now, Rockstars, here are the results. Listen, I think that was pretty impressive. And like I said earlier, this is one of the reasons why I find Kittl to be so unique when it comes to designing templates. As most of the design tools out there, they don't allow you to generate videos this simply and build video assets in the actual template, and that way you're not just sticking to static design. Your creativity, Rockstars, it has no limits, and I'm hopeful that if you take this seriously, your editable template sales will have no limits as well. Now, what I just showed you are one-off products. They're simple, they're searchable, and they're easy for buyers to understand. But a buyer may not only need one item. So one-off templates allow you to serve the market quickly, but I encourage you to create bundles. Let's take as an example, a beauty business bundle could include service menus, price list, booking policy, an appointment reminder, promotional flyers, client review posts, a thank you card as an example. It could also include Instagram posts and Instagram stories. Bundles work well because they feel like a complete toolkit for whoever is buying them. That way, the buyer is not just buying one design, they're buying a mini marketing kit, and they can make the product feel more valuable with consistency. Now, step 2 is to create the template access link, which is very important. And you are not selling a screenshot. No, what you're doing instead is giving them access to the editable template. So once your template is ready inside Kittl, what you want to do next is to create and share the template access link. What you don't want to do is to send a link where customers can edit your original work file. You want to use the correct template sharing options that are available in Kittl, and I'm gonna place the instructions in the description, and I'm showing you here on a high level how to get this done. After you create the access link, you want to make sure that you test it. Open the link in a private browser as if a customer would, or a different browser where you're not logged in to your account, so you're able to see how the customer will experience the link. The customer should be able to open the template, customize it, and be able to use it in their business. You also need to ensure that your original file stays protected. That way, a customer cannot take the link and send it to multiple people and they get your product free. It should only be downloadable by one customer or accessed by one customer. And this is one of the most important steps in the whole process. Now, step 3 is to create the PDF delivery file. Why do you need this? Because most marketplaces do not want you to upload only a link. They want you to upload a digital file. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a simple PDF file that contains the template access link. And you can use Kittl to do this, as I'm showing you here, using Kittl Chat. And you can use ChatGPT as well to create a simple PDF with this prompt that I'm showing you here on screen that you can screen capture and enter to get that PDF where you're going to embed the link. This is the file your buyer is going to download after they make the purchase. And this PDF, as an example, can say something like, "Thank you for your purchase. Click the button below to access your editable templates." Then what you want to do next is to create a big button that says, "Click here to access template." If it's a bundle, the button can say something like, "Click here to access your template bundle." Then you want to add some instructions in that PDF, like step 1, click the access button. Step 2, open the editable template. Step 3, customize the text, colors, photos, logos, and your business details. Step 4, download your final design. And step 5, post online or print as is needed. Now, you also want to add an important, what I'm going to call a disclaimer, which is this is a digital product. No physical item will be shipped. You are responsible for customizing the template for your own business. You also want to tell the customer to download the PDF as a PDF, not as a PNG or a JPEG, because it may not keep the link clickable. Now, step 4 is to create listing images. For your product to sell, people need to see visuals. These images, they sell the product before the customer reads the description. For one-off templates, you can show the template, and for bundles, you can show all the templates in the kit as small thumbnails. Now, let's move to step 5, which is to write the product title. And what you want to do is to make sure you write a title that's searchable. Do not make it too clever. As an example, for an editable nail tech price list template, which is a one-off product, you can use a title like Editable Nail Tech Price List Template for Beauty Business Owners. For a bundle, you can say Editable Beauty Business Marketing Template Bundle for nail tech, lash assistants, salons, and spas. The title should tell the buyer exactly what it is that they're gonna get and who it's for. Step 6 is to write the product description. And for one-off templates, the description could say something like I'm showing you here on screen, which again, you you can screenshot and you can use it as a guide. And you should also include, like I said earlier, how it works and the fact that it needs to be downloaded as a PDF. Now, step 7 is to price your one-off templates or your bundles. And a simple one-off template may sell for about $5 to $12. And you can get this from the research that I mentioned earlier. A bundle, which is a small bundle, could go for $19 to $39. And a premium business kit could sell for as much as $97. And there are no fixed rules when it comes to pricing. Just find a starting point and test it with your market to see if people are converting. If you find that people are not biting, then you might want to tweak your price, your description, and different things to make sure that you're grabbing attention. Now, step 8 is to upload the product to sell, and you can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, Creative Market, Shopify, Stand Store, Beacons, or on your own website, which is where I sell my editable templates. I'll use Etsy as an example because many of you are already searching for digital templates on Etsy. What you want to do is to go ahead and create a new listing, choose a digital product or the digital file, upload your PDF delivery file, add the listing images, and add the product title, the product description, and make sure you add keywords and tags because that's what customers are going to be searching for your products to pop up on Kittl. Make sure you add your price and preview the listing before publishing to check to ensure that things like the product and the way it presents is clear and that it indicates that there's no physical product and that the buyer is going to get a PDF with the link embedded in the PDF. Then you can go ahead and publish your product. Once your listing is live, the customer can purchase and download the PDF automatically, which means you do not need to manually send the template every time somebody buys your product. Again, we're trying to make money here while we sleep. Step 9 is to promote the product because it's one thing to create, but if you're not promoting that product, the likelihood of you getting sales will be slim to none. Do not just upload and hope people are gonna find it. Create content that shows the value because the more clearly people understand how your product works, the easier it's gonna be for them to turn it into something that they can use. Now, rock stars, if I had to start over online, like I said earlier, I would look for a product that is easy to deliver, that is useful to a clear buyer, and that has the possibility to sell more than once. You do not need to start big. And if I had to start over, this is one of the first products that I would sell.